This is the new Moto G7 Plus with a 6.2 inches Full HD screen. Mini jack out for video. Here, as you can see, USB-C, one speaker down there, one up here. Has a fingerprint sensor on the back side where the M is located. Turbo power charging, 27 watts. And the camera has optical stabilization. It's driven by Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 and it's a fine mid-range unit. Excellent pictures. I took some pictures before. As you can see here, has nice image realization with a lot of close-up zoom. You can see here the image of the picture quality. Look here the details. Beautiful. Beautiful. Surprised by the picture quality of the images. As you can see, a lot of pictures here, nice colors. The zoom is like this before, this and that. You see, this is digital zoom here. Very nice from this image here. You see. The menu is straightforward. You can find it has FM radio, Dolby audio for the sound, music, movies mode, music, smart audio, and Moto application to learn everything about the device. It's a well-made smart device. Mobile, very thin, battery lasts a lot of hours. Very happy with this device. Look at the details here. Very fast and accurate. Two cameras on the back side. One is 16 megapixels, the other is 5 megapixels. So you can have and flash, nice implementation. And the box, this is the box. Inside you can find the Motorola Moto G7 Pro Plus, Moto G7 Plus. This is for the SIM card, and the charger, which is this one. Turbo power. They say 27 watts, but they don't write it on the charger. USB cable in the box, and what else we have here? The headphones are not here. Somebody took them because I'm not the first one that opened the box. Somebody else did before, so I can find. But it comes with a nice protective case here, elastic one. So you put it here and the device is protected. So very nice, very good implementation of a smartphone from Motorola. This is the Moto G7 Plus.